Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Jasper for SEO blog automation workflows, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.jasper.ai and press enter. Wait for the Jasper homepage to load completely. Locate the login button often found in the top right corner of the screen. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. On the login page, enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the corresponding password field. If you've forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link available below the login fields. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. After entering your credentials, click the Login button to access your account. Once logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Navigate to the Templates section to find various SEO blog automation workflows. Select the relevant template for your blogging needs. Customize the template by entering your preferred blog topic or keywords. Use Jasper's AI capabilities to generate content based on your input. Review the generated content for quality and relevance. Make any necessary edits to enhance your blog post. Once satisfied with the content, save your work. You can also export the finished blog directly to your desired platform. Congratulations, you're now ready to use Jasper for your SEO blog automation workflows. Explore additional features to enhance your blogging experience. This process will streamline your content creation efforts efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.